What's up YouTube? So today I want to make a quick video about Efforce or Efforce. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but this is a very new project, and sale of the tokens has gone live within the last few days on the HBTC platform. So basically Efforce is a project that was started by Steve Wozniak, co-founder of Apple, and there are a couple of guys involved in the project. I mean, this guy is a genius. So you can just look at the results of Apple to see what this guy's brain is like. So the basis of this project is basically to help energy saving initiatives. So it's the first blockchain-based energy saving platform. So it allows contributors to benefit from the energy savings generated by energy efficiency projects worldwide. And how does it work? There are contributors, there are companies, and the blockchain. So the contributors can participate in energy efficiency projects by acquiring tokenized future savings. Companies benefit from energy efficiency improvements at no cost, and the resulting savings are written in real time on the blockchain. And a smart contract redistributes the resulting savings to token holders and the companies without intermediaries based on exact consumption savings data. So basically explained what that means, and somebody in the Telegram group put it very well. So I'm going to open up that chat. I've actually saved it. A gentleman by the name of Fransel says, correct me if I'm wrong. Efforce planned by example. A baker wants to make their business more efficient or energy efficient. To do this, they want to buy a new super oven that uses half the energy of their current oven. This oven costs $1,000. We, the community, or the people that are inputting liquidity into the project, buy the baker their new oven for $1,000. The baker's energy bill goes from $40 a month to $20 a month. So for 5 years, we, the investors, get $20 a month from the baker, and their costs remain at $40 a month total. In 5 years' time, our $1,000 investment has turned into $1,250. The baker now has a 5-year-old oven and now a monthly cost of $20. Everybody parts ways, and we're all better off because of the transaction, correct? And one of the founders actually replied and said that's absolutely correct. So it's a very simple way, and these are the people that are involved in the founding of Efforce. And this gentleman, Andrea Castiglione, is one of the admins in the Telegram group. So you can go up to efforce.io and you can actually see, scroll down, they've got a Telegram group, a Medium site, a blog, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So this company is really legit, and the reason why I wanted to make this video is because the price is going up. Last night I bought some USDT, and it was taking a very long time to go through, and when I woke up this morning the price had increased. So let's have a look at the chart here. This is WOZX USDT. Basically, if you look at this candlestick, this is what the price opened at on the 3rd of December. You can see there, yeah, that's the opening, 7 US cents. Within 1 day, this is a 1 day chart, the closing, it went all the way up to 95 US cents. So it's just been climbing. It literally had one day where there was a bit of a negative, but that really is nothing. Climbing, $1.50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $2.40. So this is where the chart was last night. Just go there, yeah, it was about 11 o'clock at night South African time. And I wanted to buy at $2.40. My transfer was not taking place because the Ethereum network was being extremely slow. So here you can see from this morning's opening, climbed from $2.48, which it is now sitting at $2.87.88. So as I'm speaking, I'm actually losing, so I am going to buy. I've only put in $70 because I've got other investments that I've been investing in. The other project is Wise, and the other project is Finalment, and I'll be making some videos of those later on. So I don't want to do a limit order. I don't want to wait because the price is going to go up. It might go down, but it probably won't because people are buying. And if you look at the trade history, what's happening here, that's a buy, buy, buy. All the greens are buys, all the reds are sells. Buy, 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 buy. So you can see there's more buys than sells, which means if there's a greater demand, the price is actually going to be pushed up. So there's a lot of plans, and there's quite a few things planned for this token. So very, very exciting. I'm getting in early, and I am buying. Maximum amount, my little $69, $70 is giving me 24 WOZX tokens, and please let this be another Bitcoin. Bitcoin started out where you can mine it for free, and basically right now it is worth $18,000, $19,000. So here we go, buy WOZX, come on baby. Okay, let's have a look, see. Haha. Great, that means it has been fulfilled. Let's quickly go to my balance and my wallet and have a look. Which coins? WOZX. Okay, maybe my order is still going through, but if I look at my USDT, that balance, it's frozen, so that means the transaction is actually still going through. So here is to Efforce, and again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I'm doing with my money, my investments, and in my opinion, this is a very good investment. Do your own due diligence. Don't take my advice. Go and do your homework, and happy investing, peeps. So guys, I wanted to do a quick update. While I was busy editing this video, I was watching the price of WOZX. Currently it is sitting at $3.28. I bought it at $2.88. So let us have a look at the percentage increase. So the initial value $2.88, final value 3.28, and it's still rising. So within a couple of hours of buying this token, it's gone up 13%. But have a look at this. The initial value on the 3rd of December, which was about 6 days ago, was 0.09. Look at the percentage increase, 3,544%. This thing is going places, and I want you to have a look at something here. I spotted something in the Efforce chat. Andrea Castiglione, one of the founders, said, just to give you an idea, I myself as a co-founder of the company need to buy tokens from the market. I want to stack as much as physically possible. Our tokens are vesting over 20 years. I'd be an idiot to tie my future to this if I didn't believe in the core fundamentals. I really believe that this is something to get hold of. If you haven't looked at it, go and have a look at it. I will keep you updated. Keep well.